Hi, so welcome to my farm. I wanted to do a farm tour to remember this save file by, and I have a friend who does the same thing with her games, and I thought it was a good idea. If I'm moving kind of fast, I just ate spicy eel and coffee. So, for my more decorated rooms, this is my department store. I thought it was cute. I was like, what gives? You can't breathe and have the sudden urge to go to the bathroom. And I think the wallpaper and floor really give the stuffy vibes. And then I don't know if I'll change the outfits. I was just kind of putting anything random together in the sewing machine. And then I'm not in love with this room, but I wanted to do like a fishing vibe. And I'm also not in love with this room, but I love me a good cat statue. And I wanted a more magical-ish room, but I have one down there, and I love Morris. Um, I didn't do the Joja path, but I like the blue vibes. I wish I had the machine, the cola machine. And then my kitchen's a little bare. I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing, but I do see a lot of designs that are more cluttered. And I'm not really sure what to do with this room, I gotta be honest. So it just holds all my extra um, H&W furniture catalogs. This is more of a greenhouse vibe. I have the Sunberry Village mod added, and so it's added some extra crops. And I wanted like a witchy greenhouse aesthetic. Um, and over here I'm doing like an animal crop or produce machine. I don't know why there's two of these. Let's fix that. I don't know why this is here. I guess I'll put that there. And there's a lot of food that I haven't even made. I do have extra artisan machines added. So, and then I have a bunch of crops, and this goes on like forever. We can zoom out, and there's like 3 workbenches with almost 20 chests, because I realized that was the limit of the range, at least. And so that's that, and then this is just full of like the calico cat statues that I don't want to get rid of. So this is my farm. This is the Frontier Farm from Stardew Valley Expanded. I've completely really gotten rid of crops because I have crops elsewhere. This is either the winery or the brewery. This one has casks in it. And then this other one has kegs and preserve jars in it. And then I just made these little flower areas that I'd like to put elsewhere and also decorate around here, but I'm just not so sure. Oh, yay, rice! And these are from Sunberry Village mod. These are the familiars. And eventually they'll drop like seeds and stuff. And this is my fish pond. And so for my greenhouse, I installed super big greenhouses. And this one's full of the deluxe fertilizer, so I'm trying to get like iridium quality items as well, because I'm obsessive over mean I love it. It's my favorite activity. Here I made an orchard. An ugly one, but you know. And then over here is my project to make every fish pond for the fish, all the fish. I will say I'm also collecting fish in a rather cheaty kind of way, I think. I'm using CJB cheats, and then I do instant catch and instant bite, and then I have the challenge bait on me, so I get three three fish instead of one. But I didn't realize I even had this. So I have a bigger solar field in the Calico Desert. So, excuse me. So we're over here. And I'm collecting resin, sap, and syrups, and I mainly need sap for the deluxe fertilizer. And so it's just, yeah, it's just full of trees sometimes. Sometimes they're not fed. Or maybe they don't like harvesting. Oh, there you go. You better work, 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 work. So yeah, I have a bunch of crops. And then I have animals, which I'm using to collect and make the museum. And I think that's pretty much it. Ginger Island isn't decorated. There's like nothing there. And yeah, thank you for watching.